Hello everybody and nice to see you again. Today we are going to learn how to use who, which, and where as a connectors.
A worker teacher's classmates. A school manager a doorman.
A worker is the man who sweeps the floor.
Classmates these are my classmates learn with me. Teachers these are my teachers who teach me at school.
A school manager is the man who runs the school.
A teacher is a person who teach us.
A school gate a doorman. A doorman is the man who sits out of the school gate.
A gardener is the man who looks after school garden.
Using which this is the lute which I play.
This is the water which I drink.
This is the flag which I salute.
This is a sewing machine which I use for dressing.
This is a computer which I use.
Using who.
تستخدم كأداة ربط بين الجملتين بمعنى الذي أو التي للعاقل.
Which.
بمعنى الذي أو التي لغير العاقل أو الأشياء.
Where.
بمعنى الذي أو التي للمكان هذا هو المكان الذي.
If you like the video, put like, share, and subscribe.
This is a cupboard which I put clothes in.
An office which I study on.
This is a chicken which I eat.
This is an ice cream which I like. Bye bye.